No more switching tabs. Generate and send order forms and referral letters right from the patient visit note. This process has two parts. First, you'll set up your order forms and referral letters once in Settings. To begin, navigate to Settings, then select Forms. Here you'll find separate categories for referral letter and order forms. Select the appropriate category for the type of form you want to create. The process for building your form is the same as creating any other form in the system. Upload the form, add your fields, fill in the necessary details, and when you're ready, publish the form. Once published, it will be available to use across any patient visit note. This is a one-time setup. Once your forms are created, you won't need to return to Settings unless you want to add or modify them. Now let's look at how to use these forms during an actual patient visit. Open a visit note that has been filled out with the patient's information. Once you finish documenting your plan on the bottom navigation bar, you'll see an Orders and Referrals button. Hover over it to reveal two options: Send Order Form and Send Referral. Select the one that applies to your current situation. You'll then see a list of the forms you created in Settings. Choose the form you need for this patient. Next, review the form and fill in any additional information required before sending. At this point, you'll also see an option to include the visit note along with the form. Select this if you'd like the receiving party to have that context. When everything looks good, save the form. You can then send it via fax or print the form depending on what's needed. Complete your selected action to finish, or close the dialog if no further steps are required. The same steps can be followed to send a referral letter. Select the Send Referral option to proceed. Once the forms are sent, they will be automatically added to the patient's chart under Multimedia, and that's it. Your order form or referral letter has been generated and sent without ever leaving the patient encounter.